वेलकम टू वी लर्न। वेलकम टू वी लर्न। वी लर्न में आपका स्वागत है। सब्जेक्ट डायनेमिक एसेट्स मैनेजमेंट, एसेट्स लायबिलिटी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, ALM, सेशन नंबर 2। टॉपिक कवर्ड इन दिस सेशन: why ALM, assets liability management, liquidity risk, maturity profile liquidity, RSA and RSL, IRR, relevance in India, impact on NII, tools for ALM system and its concept, statement of structural liquidity। And now why ALM? ALM की क्या जरूरत होती है, क्यों ALM आवश्यक होता है? ग्लोबलाइजेशन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के लिए ALM आवश्यक होता है, क्योंकि जब हम एसेट्स लायबिलिटी मैनेजमेंट नहीं करेंगे तो इतने बड़े फील्ड में फाइनेंशियल मार्केट को किस तरह से हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं या अपने एसेट्स को किस तरह सिक्योरिटाइजेशन कर सकते हैं। डीरेगुलेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रेट, मल्टी करेंसी बैलेंस शीट एंड प्रीविलेंस ऑफ बेसिस रिस्क एंड एम्बेडेड ऑप्शन रिस्क के लिए ALM आवश्यक होता है। इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ मार्केट, मनी मार्केट, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट, गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी मार्केट, इन सब के लिए भी एसेट्स लायबिलिटी मैनेजमेंट आवश्यक होता है। देन नैरोइंग NII एंड NIIM। And now ALM. What is ALM? Assets liability management is the process involving decision making about the composition of assets and liabilities, including off balance sheet items of the bank, financial institution, and conducting the risk assessment. Assets liability management: various risks affecting bank, financial institutions like credit risk, market risk, operational risk, deregulation and composition. Need to manage risk to protect NIM. Need for proper risk management policy. Liquidity planning, interest rate risk management. ALM guidelines issued for bank in Feb 1999 and for financial institutions in December 1999. Concept of ALM. ALM is concerned with the strategic management of balance sheet by giving due weightage to market risk, liquidity risk, interest rate risk, and currency risk. ALM function involves planning, directing, controlling the flow, level, mix, cost and yield of fund of the bank. ALM builds up assets and liabilities of the bank based on the concept of net interest income NII or net interest margin NIM. What is assets? Assets liability management concerned with the strategic balance sheet management involving all market risk. It involves in managing both sides of balance sheet to minimize market risk. ALM objectives: liquidity risk management, number 2 interest rate risk management, number 3 currency risk management, and number 4 profit planning and growth projection. Liquidity risk. What is liquidity risk? Liquidity risk refers to the risk that the institutions might not be able to generate sufficient cash flow to meet its financial obligation. लिक्विडिटी रिस्क से तात्पर्य है कि जब कोई भी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन, कोई भी बैंक अपने कमिटमेंट को, अपने डे टू डे की जो फाइनेंस की नीड है, फंड की नीड है, उसको पूरा करने में असमर्थ होता है, तो इस तरह की पोजीशंस लिक्विडिटी रिस्क पोजीशंस कहलाती है। इफेक्ट ऑफ लिक्विडिटी क्रंच, लिक्विडिटी क्रंच या लिक्विडिटी कम होने से क्या असर पड़ेगा? रिस्क टू बैंक अर्निंग, इससे बैंक की अर्निंग पर इफेक्ट पड़ता है। रेपुटेशनल रिस्क होती है, क्या बैंक की रेपुटेशन खराब होती है। कंटेंजियन इफेक्ट होता है। लिक्विडिटी क्राइसिस कैन लीड टू रन्स ऑन इंस्टीट्यूशन, बैंक और फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन, फेलर इफेक्ट इकोनॉमी। लिक्विडिटी रिस्क, फैक्टर इफेक्टिंग लिक्विडिटी रिस्क, नंबर 1 ओवर एक्सटेंशन ऑफ क्रेडिट, नंबर 2 हाई लेवल ऑफ एनपीएस, नंबर 3 पुअर एसेट्स क्वालिटी, नंबर 4 मिसमैनेजमेंट, नंबर 5 non recognitions of embedded option risk, number 6 reliance on a few wholesale depositors, number next large undrawn loan commitments, number next lack of appropriate liquidity policy and contingent plan. Liquidity risk, tackling the liquidity problems, a sound liquidity policy, number 2 funding strategies, number 3 contingency funding strategy, number 4 liquidity planning under alternate scenario, and last number measurement of mismatches through gap statement. Methodology for measurement of liquidity risk: liquidity index, peer group comparison, gap between sources and uses, maturity ladder construction. RBI guidelines regarding liquidity: structural liquidity statement is to be prepared, dynamic liquidity statement is also prepared, then board or ALCO, ALM information system, ALM organization and ALM process, risk management process is prepared by the bank. Mismatch limit in the gap statement, assumption or behavioral study, if any, that is also prepared by the banking organization. ALM system: liquidity gap report fortnightly, 1 to 14 days, 15 to 28 days, tolerance limits, fixed cumulative gap limits, IRS statement monthly, fixed prudential limits, to compile currency wise liquidity and IRS reports. Maturity profile liquidity: outflows, capital, reserves and surplus, deposits, borrowing and bonds and other liabilities. Inflows: cash, balance with RBI, balance with other bank, investment, advances. IRR relevance in India: deregulation of interest rate brought volatility in rate, call, PLR, government securities, yield curve, etc. Competition, free pricing of assets and liability, pressure on NII, NIM and MVE. RSA and RSL. RSA means rate sensitive assets, assets whose value is dependent on current interest rate. RSL, rate sensitive liability, liability whose value is dependent on current interest rate. Gap mismatch risk: it arises on account of holding rate sensitive assets and liabilities with different principal amounts, maturity repricing rates. Even though maturity dates are same, if there is a mismatch between amount of assets and liabilities, it causes interest rate risk and affect NII. Impact on NII: gap, interest rate change and impact on NII. If gap is positive, then interest rate change increases and impact on NII positive. Gap is positive, interest rate decreases and impact on NII negative. If gap is negative, interest rate change increases and impact on NII negative. And gap is negative, interest rate change decreases and impact on NII positive. ALM organization. 3 tiers organizational setup for ALM implementation. Management committee of the board oversees the ALM implementation by ALCO. Review the ALM implementation periodically. Funding strategies for correcting the mismatch in ALM statement. Assets Liability Management Committee ALCO. ALCO headed by ED, GM, Nodal Officer, GM Central Accounts, PND, Credit Risk Management International Division are the members. GMIT and AGM Economists are the invitees for ALCO meeting. And now, function of ALCO. Implementation of ALM system, monitor the risk level of the bank, articulate the interest rate positions and fixed interest rate on deposits and advances, fixed differential rate of interest rate on bulk deposits, facilitating and coordinating to put in place the ALM system in the bank. ALM statement to be submitted to RBI. Statement of structural liquidity, statement of interest rate sensitivity, statement of dynamic liquidity, statement of maturity and position, DSB statement number 10 foreign exchange regarding, then statement of sensitivity to interest rate. Tools for ALM system. Gap analysis, modified gap analysis, duration gap analysis, value at risk and simulation. And now liquidity risk, broadly of 3 types. Funding risk, due to withdrawal or non-renewal of deposits is called funding risk. Time risk, non-recipient of inflows on account of assets, loan installment at proper time or deciding the time is known as time risk. Then call risk, contingent liability and a new demand for loan is known as call risk. And dynamic liquidity is done to measure the liquidity risk. Statement of structural liquidity, placed all cash inflows and outflows in the maturity ladder as per residual maturity. Maturity liability, cash outflows, maturity assets, cash inflows, classified into 8 times buckets. Mismatch in the first 2 buckets not exceeds 20% of outflows. Banks can fix higher tolerance level for other maturity buckets. Addressing to mismatches. Mismatches can be positive or can be negative. Positive mismatches MA greater than ML and vice versa for negative mismatch. In case of positive mismatch, excess liquidity can be deployed in money market instrument, creating new assets and investment swaps, etc. For negative mismatch, it can be financed from market borrowings, call or terms, bills rediscounting, repos and deployment of foreign currency converted into rupees. Dynamic liquidity, prepared every fortnight for ALCO. Projection is given for the next 3 months. Tools for assessing the day-to-day liquidity needs of the bank. Statement of interest rate sensitivity, generated by grouping RSA, RSL and off-balance sheet items into various or 8 times buckets. Positive gap, beneficial in case of raising interest rate. Negative gap, beneficial in case of declining interest rate. Calculation of NII or NIM. NII, interest earned, interest expended. Interest earned equal to advance plus investment plus balance with RBI. Interest expended equal to deposits plus interest on RBI borrowings, and NIM equal to NII TOT, earning assets multiply by 100. Success of ALM in banks. Preconditions. Awareness for ALM in the bank staff at all levels, supportive management and dedicated teams. Method of reporting data from branches or other department, strong MIS. Computerization, full computerization networking. Insight into the banking operation, economic forecasting, computerization, investment credit, etc. And linking up ALM to future risk management strategies. And now do it yourself. What is assets liability management? How ALM by organization? And that's it from session number 2. Thank you.